In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permission. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy and tap on Permission Manager. Following that, select any of your device's features to manage. Tap on one of your apps and apply a perfect option for you. Camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, my app just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using it. But you can also just select any option to find an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Location to manage my TikTok. Then scroll all the way down and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Finally, operate all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!